And all the boys, what a weekend, what an effort. The first time they'll be playing at the Gabba.
That's fantastic,
special moment, Joe.
Yeah, very special.
Bring it on. Thank you.
Thanks, Nate. Stay with us. After the break, Livio joins us and he'll have all the weather details for us.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. It's incredible how quickly the mood's shifted from cool breezes and plentiful winter rain to such a long and unforgiving run of dry, crunchy springtime heat and bushfire haze. And over the next week, it's just going to keep getting hotter with barely enough rain to settle the dust. After a brief but welcome respite from the heat over the weekend, the mercury's once again on the rise. Today's temperatures were generally a few degrees above average, the highest being 32 degrees at Nambour and Gympie. So we'll take a look at the satellite loop now, and as usual it's only far north Queensland that's getting the cloud. Some very light showers falling out of that. The rest of the state generally dry and quite clear, although clear is not really the right word with so much bushfire haze and smoke around. There's a lot of frontal cloud now over the southern states, and we'll be seeing more of that because the westerlies are starting to move north because of the stratospheric warming we're experiencing at the moment. If you look at today's chart, you'll see that the subtropical high pressure belt, which normally stays over central Australia in winter, is still there despite it being spring. So all the fronts and westerly wind belt have moved north, allowing those dry, hot winds to come across southern and central Australia, and that includes southeast Queensland. In the tropics, so the winds are more onshore, so we're still getting enough moisture for a couple of light showers. You can see as the week unfolds, though, this inland trough becomes more dominant, continuing to bring down that warm, hot tropical air into southern and central Queensland, making for very high temperatures and more shower activity in the northern tropics where the winds are still onshore. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Northwest winds reaching 25 knots at times tomorrow, seas under 2 metres though. And then we got 15 to 20 knot northerlies for Wednesday and Thursday. Surf's about 1 metre on the open beaches, and those swells from the southeast. Winds are from the north, so we're getting the usual choppy conditions at Alex and Noosa. Full moon tomorrow, 2 high tides of equal magnitude and both pretty decent, 1 in the morning, 1 in the late evening, and a low tide around mid-afternoon. For the southeast coast, sunny though smoke haze around and high fire danger. Maroochydore 15 to 31 degrees, Nambour 33, Gympie 34. Looking ahead, expect no rain for the next 7 days and you won't be disappointed. Top temperatures steady at close to 30 degrees and nights warming up as well. And that's all for this evening, my friends. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be here again tomorrow with more on the latest. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Liv. Well, that's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company this Monday. We hope you enjoy the long weekend, and we'll have updates throughout the evening. And don't forget, you can also catch up on 7 Plus or download the 7 News app. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.